bud. Don't you want it? You cold? Ah, there you go. Pretty girl. You're eating your little chicken. Look at, there's some more over there. Bacon! Look at, bacon! Bacon, there's some right there. Look at. Bacon! Good girl. Bacon. Bacon's such a pretty cat. Oh my gosh. They just have them at the restaurants. Hi, Bacon. You're a mall cat. Such a pretty girl. See you guys in the next video.
Come on, girl. Come on, Bacon.
She doesn't know what that means. Just give her the. Just give it to her.
Up. Come on. Up. Good girl. Good girl. Oopsie. Want more? Come on. Come on. Bacon. Come on. Meow. Come on. Up. Up here. Up. Bacon.
Oh,
Bacon.
she doesn't
Up.
know how.
Bacon. Come on. Meow. Up here. Bacon. Up. Nice. 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 Yeah.
Now you're just teasing her.
I'm not teasing her.
Yeah, you are. She's going to All Wings to get that chicken.
Come here, girl. Come on. Bacon. Up. 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 Come on. Up. You want more chicken? More chicken? Yeah, we're doing great. I think we'll take the check.
Okay, I'll go ahead and get it.
Thank
Do
you.
you want me to take any plates out of the way?
No, we're good. Come here, girl. Aw.
Water, girl, you like it? Oh, pretty girl. Yes. Okay, Bacon, we just gave her some water because she was drinking off that horrible puddle there. Now we just gave her a little cup of water. She's so thirsty. She's like so thirsty, isn't she? Oh my gosh, what the, oh my god. Okay, I'm just go back here.
That is so precious.
Why can't I focus on you? Oh, there you go.
You just want to tell me where it is.
Oh, girl. I'll just leave it there for her.